In this video, we are going to see how we can delete our ChatGPT account permanently. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So if you want to get rid of the account completely, one thing you can do is just sign in with your ChatGPT account first so that you can see your main interface like this one. And after that, we go to the bottom left-hand corner where you can see this little profile icon of yours. Click on that. Here we will choose settings, and from here you will choose the account option wherever it is. Here in this case it's right at the bottom. Once we choose that, on our right we can see different options like the name, the email it is associated to, or the age verification. But here's the option of deleting the account. So if you want to completely delete this, you click on that and it says deleted account. Are you sure? Delete your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Delete will prevent you from accessing all AI services and all, and you cannot create a new account using the same email address. This is a very important thing, and your data will be deleted within 30 days, except we may retain a limited set of data where required, and so on. So once you want to confirm that, you will click on the refresh login in order to continue. And after that, it will show you the welcome back screen. You log in to the account again. This is just a security feature. And now we will go to the same options. We will go to the settings and click on the account. And then we can finally delete that. You will just type your email and it will say to proceed, type delete. So this is another security feature that you are not deleting it accidentally. And after that, you get the final message of permanently delete my account. You click on that, it will log you out, and then your account will be deleted permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.